If you want the wealth-building power of real estate but absolutely dread the thought of giant down payments or getting called at 3 a.m. about a broken toilet, then this video is for you. The good news is you can own commercial buildings, apartment complexes, and even massive data centers without ever becoming a landlord. The secret is REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Think of them as stocks that own actual property, and the best part is they are legally required to pass almost all of their rental income and profits straight to you as passive dividends. This means you get that beautiful, consistent cash flow without the stress, the debt, or the physical commitment. It is the perfect loophole for anyone. Whether you are 17 with $50 or 50 with a full portfolio, who wants immediate exposure to the property market. Stop waiting to save up $250,000 for a starter house. Start investing in real estate today. If you want the names of the top REITs currently paying big dividends, hit that follow button now for the full breakdown.